What's your first response to the word meditation? Uncertain? Well, consider this. Meditation is simple and inexpensive. Anyone can do it anywhere, regardless of age or fitness level, and there are no negative side effects. The Mayo Clinic has a webpage devoted to meditation. Emotional benefits include increased self-awareness, reduced negativity, broadened perspectives on stressful situations, reduced informational overload, and better focus on the present. Some research suggests that meditation may even help manage symptoms of chronic conditions such as anxiety, asthma, cancer, depression, heart disease, high blood pressure, pain, and sleep problems. Remember the neuroscience behind stress? Meditation activates the parasympathetic nervous system and all of the benefits that go along with it. Remember those benefits? Lower heart rate, decreased blood pressure, and a state of restoration and healing. Sounds pretty good. What we know is that people who practice meditation learn to be aware of and respond differently to stress-induced thoughts and experiences, so their parasympathetic baseline can be maintained.